Aaron Apostolico, Sensidyne's corporate industrial hygienist. Welcome to the first video in our Go-Cal Pro calibration kit series, the unboxing. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at what comes inside the travel case and explaining each component's purpose. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, let's jump in. Let's go over the case. Here we have a deluxe kit housed in this sturdy lockable travel case. Keep the valve under the handle slightly open during travel to avoid pressurization inside the case. The case has three labels: the product name on the top, the service info on the bottom, and the product number on the side of the case. When you first open the kit, you'll find the ISO 17025 calibration certificates. Store these certificates somewhere safe, as they are proof of the instrument's accuracy. The foam-protected instruments on the right side of the case are easily removable using the finger cutouts. The open section on the left side is for the chargers, tubing, adapters, and thumb drive. The number of accessories will match your instrument's count, so a deluxe kit will get 3 sets of accessories. The white boxes contain your universal USB charger. These are equipped with international blades for worldwide travel. The USB-A to USB-C cables can be used with the charger, or you can connect to your laptop or PC to use the Gilian Connect Pro software. The thumb drive holds your operations manual, your quick start guides, and the Gilian Connect Pro PC software. We'll dedicate a separate video to that software later in the series. The kit also includes a tubing and adapter set. The 8-inch tubing connects the calibrator to your sample media. Don't worry about the size mismatches, as the tubing diameters correspond to the instrument's barbed fittings. We also include a 3/8 to 1/4 inch and a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch step-down adapter for various media inlet sizes. And finally, the lure adapter, which connects the 1/4 inch tubing to a typical filter cassette inlet. So that wraps up our tour of the Go-Cal Pro calibration kit contents. Stay tuned for upcoming videos covering setup, operation, and software tutorials. If you have any questions, please be sure to visit our website at sensidyne.com for further information, and our team of experts will be happy to help.